Need to access the PerfLogs folder in Windows 11? Follow these simple steps to locate and open this important system folder. Navigate to the Start button on your desktop, located on the bottom left of your screen, and type Performance Monitor. Left-click on the result to open the Performance Monitor app. As the app opens, go to the Data Collector Sets option on the left side of the window, and click on the arrow next to it to expand the section. Now, expand System and right, click on your desired log report, System Performance or System Diagnostics, and choose Start. Wait for around 1 minute, and the report will be generated. You can view the generated report by clicking on Reports, System, System Performance, and then clicking on Report. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.